My greeting to Miss Kadiroli. My name is Pradeshni Anapapa Subramaniam. I'm from batch 31C. My batch ID is DSC 0523200224. Today our group will presenting emergency evacuation safety plan in Tasco Mall. When we talk about malls, we usually think about shopping, food, entertainment, but behind all that, there is something important: safety and security. Malls are crowded place where thousands of people gather every day, which means the risk of fire, thief, accident, or even overcrowding are always present. In this project, we focused on Tasco Mall. Our aims was to study the safety system, the security measure, and also suggest some improvement. By doing this, we can see how malls balance between business activities and protecting the life of their customer and staff. Background of Tasco Mall is a modern commercial complex that attract a very large number of visitors every day, especially on weekend and during festival season. It has a variety of retail shops, restaurant, cafe, and entertainment outlets, which make it a central hub for shopping and leisure. Because of this, high traffic safety become a top priority. The mall has an emergency evacuation plan based on three principles. First is prevention, second quick response, and third safe assembly. First is prevention, means have fire safety equipment and system in place to reduce risk. Second, quick response. Quick response is involve alarms, sprinklers, and trained staff who can act immediately. And lastly is safe assembly. Safe assembly ensure people can gather at a safe outdoor point until everything is clear. This structured approach helps the mall prepare for emergency in an orderly way. Out of that, evacuation road malls. The evacuation for plan. Tasco Malls has carefully designed evacuation routes. First, emergency exit. Second, fire executors and assembly point. The first is emergency exit are available on every floor, clearly marked with illuminated sign, so people can leave quickly and safely. Second, fire executors are placed near shop, food courts, and along corridors to staff or visitors can use them immediately in case of fire. And lastly is assembly point are located outside the building, away from traffic and hazards, where evacuees can gather safely. The evacuation map is is also color coded. Red for fire executions, green arrows for exit, the green symbols for assembly point. This make it easy to follow during an emergency and reduce panic. However, exit fire safety equipment in Tasco Mall. Tasco Mall has already invested in strong fire safety system. The first is fire executor, second automatic sprinklers, third smoke detector and fire alarms, and emergency exit and illuminated signage, and also fire hose reels and hydrants. The fire executors are placed along hallways, accelerator, and especially in high risk areas like food court and storage room. They are regularly inspected to make sure they are ready for use. Automatically sprinklers are installed across the ceiling. The active when a certain temperature is reached, suppressing flames and slowing down the spread of fire. Smoke detectors are installed in all areas, including staircases and tenant space. These alarms use both louder sirens and flashing lights to alert people, which help even those who are visually or hearing impaired. Emergency exit and illuminated signage ensure the people can find their way out even during power outage. And fire hoses and hydrants give trained personal powerful tools to fight fires until the fire department arrive. Finally, the mall conduct regular fire drills so both staff and visitor become familiar with evacuation routes and procedures. These these systems show that Tasco malls take fire safety serious and and prioritized customer protection. That's all from my part. Thank you, Miss.
My greeting to Miss Kadaroli. My name is Nityasri Kannada from batch 31C. My ID number is DSC 0124202725. Today I would like to talk about existing security measures. Tascomro already has strong security measures. There are security guards at the entrance, exit and on patrol. It also has CCTV camera works 24 hours in entrance, parking and food courts, while for restrict area have pet check and metal detectors. Tasco Mall have staff and tenant to do safety drill and the training. The training is given for crowd control, first aid and firefighting. The mall also work together with police and fire department. Let's move to the next slide, which was suggested improvement. To make the mall even safer, some improvements are suggested, such as use an integrated monitor system, smart fire sensor, AI power CCTV, and biometric access. For the monitoring systems like alarm CCTV, sprinklers for detect emergency and handle faster. While for sensors, detect smoke, heat, and carbon monoxide earlier to early warning for staff or visitors. CCTV can help to spot suspicious behavior faster for alert security, while for biometric access, it's fingerprint or facial recognition to control entry to restrict or sensitive areas. So now I want to talk about the last part of this presentation, which was conclusion. Tasco Mall already have strong safety security system. It protect people with extinguishers, sprinklers, alarm and clear exits. Security guards, CCTV and the access control. This ensure to keep everyone safe inside the mall. That's all from me. Thank you.